Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa for quesadillas. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe tomatoes, 1 small onion, a handful of fresh cilantro, and 1 jalapeno for a little kick. Don't forget 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice and a pinch of salt to bring out all those delicious flavors. This simple combination creates a vibrant and fresh salsa that perfectly complements any quesadilla. Now, let's get to the preparation. Start by finely dicing your 3 tomatoes, 1 small onion, and the jalapeno. Remember to remove the seeds from the jalapeno if you prefer less heat. Next, roughly chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Once everything is chopped, combine all these vibrant ingredients in a medium-sized mixing bowl. This step is quick and easy, setting the stage for a delicious salsa. With your ingredients combined, it's time to season. Pour in 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice. This adds a bright, zesty flavor that is essential for great salsa. Then, add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gently stir everything together, ensuring all the flavors are evenly distributed. For the best taste, let your salsa rest for at least 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a more complex and delicious profile. Your easy homemade salsa is now ready to enjoy. Serve it alongside your favorite warm, cheesy quesadillas for a truly satisfying meal. The fresh, vibrant flavors of the salsa perfectly cut through the richness of the cheese. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. And hey, for more great tips and deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.